Now to an inspiring story about how one Sydney businessman is not just talking about Aboriginal issues, he's doing something about it. When Arthur Aller realised just how little city kids know about Indigenous culture, he started Red Earth Connections to get the kids inside remote Aboriginal communities. And for his efforts, he's been nominated for a Pride of Australia award. Ellie Southwood caught up with him today.
In the northern parts of the Daintree rainforest, Arthur Aller prepares for the arrival of his next group of city school kids. And this is where he'll take them, a remote Aboriginal homeland. It's called Red Earth Connections, and from this tiny city office, the 24-year-old's built the organisation by himself.
I noticed from my own experience how little young people know about Indigenous Australia.
Arthur calls the kids' experience an immersion. There's storytelling and rituals.
Gobo. Gobo means to smoke, okay?
And then the students get hands-on. Each group builds an important piece of infrastructure for the locals. These girls will turn this into a chook pen. But perhaps the greatest benefit isn't the physical structure, but the emotional bonds made in the process.
But I suppose what makes an even greater difference is having Indigenous hands and non-Indigenous hands working together towards a common goal.
Sydney's Newington College was the first school to sign up.
I could sort of see this guy was passionate about what he was talking about, and I just liked the whole idea of bringing the two cultures together.
Student Tom Vanderveld's group built a 1 kilometre fence.
I think it's a very humble project in that it's just a fence, but people don't know the story behind it. People don't know the fun we've had, the sort of struggles we've had along the fence line, which is really special because that's something we'll always hold close to our heart.
And leaves them better informed, better people and better leaders down the track. Ellie Southwood, 10 Eyewitness News.